ZALO is a convenient, soluble liquid premix with 2 modes of action and will fit right into a good weed resistance management program. It's a combination of quizalofop, which is a Group 1 chemistry, and is the systemic active ingredient also available in AMVAC's Assure 2. In addition, it also contains glufosinate, which is a Group 10 chemistry, and is a contact-only active ingredient in brands such as Liberty herbicide. ZALO is labeled for postemergent broadleaf, grasses, and volunteer corn control in glufosinate-tolerant soybean, cotton, and canola crops. The broad usage of trait-enabled glufosinate-tolerant crops will enable growers all the way from the Canadian border to the Gulf of Mexico to utilize this product in their cropping situations. ZALO will control the very same broadleaf weeds as other brands containing glufosinate, but in addition, ZALO will bring a new level of volunteer corn, annual and perennial grass control in all labeled crops versus glufosinate alone. Glufosinate is a very popular active ingredient used for both broadleaf and grass control, but enhancing the grass control and expanding the height range of these grassy weeds is a benefit farmers will recognize. Research shows that ZALO delivers consistent performance with most grasses up to 5 inches across a broad spectrum of problem weeds. ZALO contains a true grass-specific herbicide. That is the quizalofop portion of ZALO, which has systemic activity. When compared to glufosinate alone, ZALO provides control of volunteer corn, improves annual grass control consistency, and adds control of perennial grass species like Johnson grass and quackgrass. Our label will give applicators and growers confidence to control many annual grasses up to 5 inches tall, with the control of volunteer corn and perennial grasses greater than 5 inches. Now here's an interesting fact. ZALO's formulation delivers a similar amount of glufosinate as found in an industry standard 280 SL glufosinate formulation. So growers will get comparable extra grass and volunteer corn control without having to handle any more volume by means of a very convenient premix formulation. The formulation process is unique to AMVAC and has meaningful benefits to customers. So what does it do? The ProLease formulation technology protects the herbicide molecules from performance inhibitors, allowing them to reach the target weed, and only then are these molecules released for consistent activity. The technology helps overcome degradation, separation, and compatibility or mixing issues either in the container or as a mixture within the sprayer. At the very least, this technology makes for an easy-to-work-with formulation, making ZALO a great alternative to a tank mix of products.